Welcome back to another Kevin Goes Fishing video.
Yep.
Here with Nathan.
Just woke up from a nap, but now I'm so juicy right now. I'm gonna catch some 5-pounders and 10-pounders.
Yeah, that's the spirit. We're at beautiful Lake 16. We're gonna be taking our inflatable kayaks out there. Let's hope we catch some big fish. Alright guys, I got my kayak all blown up. Still waiting on Nathan. He's having a little trouble.
Yep.
See you guys on the water. We're gonna slay some bass today. Alright guys. We're about to go. We're off. Oh, no, I lost it. Damn, I was trying to record. Nathan got one. We gotta go over there. Gotta go over there. Check that out.
Lost the camera fish?
Almost.
Almost. Woo.
Nice. Nice. I feel like they're over here. Got one. There we go. There we go. Woo! It's a big one. Whoa. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, yeah, it's not a big one, but got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On the jointed crankbait shad. Oh, this is dangerous. Check that out. Michigan bass. Alright, see ya, fella. Men, I'm coming. Nathan caught a pike. Whoa. Don't lift it up. You're gonna break my rock. Oh. Oh. Check that out, guys. Let me take the GoPro off. Nathan caught a pike. Check that out. Woo! Alright. Yeah! Good job, Nathan.
I said I didn't want to catch a pike because I don't know how to hold it, but I caught one anyway.
Let's go.
That was a heck of a pike. Woo! Oh.
Good job.
Oh.
You want to take a picture of it? Or no?
Woo. Woo. Oh, that was like, I felt that was like a 10-pounder. It was like going down. It went like...
On that little white scrub thing?
Yeah.
What the? Nice.